You're so young, Vedant. So good job in your squad. Nice you're talking English, huh? Yeah, very, very nice. Because how many Indian did not speak in English perfect. Yeah, because Indian is how many Indian in here in the Philippines? Yeah. Vacation. Need a vacation in the Philippines. When I was like I'm thinking about you. Okay. Thank you. Oh, hello, other viewers. Hello, good morning. So, Vedant, thank you so much for watching. You're a good in your good comment. Yeah. And nice to see me. Yeah. I go first in my college. Oh, you come in your college is 100%. Very nice, yeah. Good job, Vedant. Good job. Good job for you. Very, very good job. Oh, hello, other viewers. Good morning. Dish, kind of dish? You know, chicken adobo. Chicken adobo? You know chicken adobo? I love chicken adobo, fried chicken, sweet spaghetti. Yeah. Oh, so I love also fish. Yeah, I love also fish. It's so yummy. Mm. Oh, vegetarian. Me sometime. Me sometime. Sometimes. No fish for vegetarian. So what your food? I can eat egg. Oh, love it. But I have egg only one. I have egg only one. My egg. Where is my egg? I have egg. Only one. Only one. Yeah, I love it. I love egg. I eat breakfast. Yeah. Present in the morning. Egg. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I also have to press my phone. Oh, okay. It's okay. Good for you. Yeah. Very good job. Very